Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, and I'm back at Aldi, and I'm super excited. It is my son's birthday this week, so we have some goodies to get for him and his birthday, and of course, the rest of the week. So let's get into the store, see what they have, and don't forget at the end, I'm going to share with you my meal plan, and any recipes I use will be linked below. Let's go. Elsie wants dried strawberries again. You know, these are a favorite of hers. $2.79. She is having salads, dried strawberries, and confetti brownies. $1.85. Another favorite in our house. If you guys get sick of seeing these, I'm sorry. I get sick of making the same lunch, but my son loves it. These bite-sized browns, $1.95. I make a homemade Lunchable with the salsa con queso and salsa. I have plenty of them, but these are the ones I use. So it's like a homemade Lunchable, and he loves it. Okay, Kel wants some strawberries for his lunch. I'm gonna pick through, they look pretty good, but they're $1.99 a pound. I'll probably get 3 pounds. I need green onions for a dip I'm making, and also to top some soup, 95 cents. And then also for the dip, 65 cents for cilantro. Do you ever make meals that you know you're the only one that'll be super excited about, but you get to a point you don't care because you want it? That's what I'm making this week with cheesy cauliflower soup. So I need a head of cauliflower, and I very much look forward to it. $2.79. Okay, I need lettuce for Elsie's salads and just running low at home. That one, I don't know. I'm gonna search around, but it's $3.15 for a 3-pack of romaine hearts. Those look pretty good. And then we also need mini cucumbers for lunches. She wants these sliced in her salad. She has a very defined vision for her salad. $1.89. And then it's my son's birthday Wednesday, and we're picking up pizza and eating it at a park, but I'm going to get bag salads, 2 different kits for us to take there. Elsie wanted me to see if there is an avocado. Ooh, I think everyone will like this. A sweet onion vinaigrette, $3.29. We'll get that one. But Elsie wanted me to see if there is an avocado ranch salad kit. Dill pickle crunch sounds pretty good, but I don't see avocado ranch. So I think I'm just gonna stick with this one, $3.29. I'm making applesauce this week, but I have some older apples, which is really a good way to use apples that kind of go soft. But I just want to get one more bag for fresh apples for my kids to eat. Honeycrisp, $2.69 for 2 pounds. This looks so good to me. I would 100% make this, but my kids don't like cheese stuffed things. They're so weird and picky. They like cheese, they like pasta, but they won't eat them. Lots of different options over here that don't work well for my family because they have meat in them, but lots of fun things over here. I do like to get these on occasion. I'm making waffles, and I need eggs for the waffle batter. We have some, but not many. $3.77 for a dozen. That one has a broken egg, so I'm gonna search again. For $3.77, I need 12 whole eggs. $2.67 for milk. We are running very low. I don't know if I followed up, but this stuff is so delicious. Me and my kids love it. We still have a lot of it left, but it is so yummy. If you like making homemade coffee drinks, I definitely recommend it. Butter, $3.99. Gotta get a block. This is interesting. Maple Me Crazy butter spread. That sounds delicious. And pumpkin spice, $2.64. Oh, they have another one. What's this? Honey. Yummy. I'm not getting them, but they look delicious. I need sour cream for the dip I'm making, $1.79. The joy this brings me is unmatched. This reminds me that Christmas is coming, my favorite time of the year, but when they start to do the charcuterie shop at the end cap, it's like they're telling you holidays, entertaining are coming, and they have all these beautiful, yummy, delicious additions. Ooh, these sound good to me. I actually have some dip that I've been wanting to eat, and these crackers would be really yummy with it. It's eggplant dip from Trader Joe's. They have different chutneys, caramelized red onion chutney, sweet jalapeno chili, spicy tomato chili, $2.99 a piece. I've had this sour cherry fruit spread, so good. These look really great, 4 different flavors. They'd be like a good gift. Different salamis, honey, different olive spreads, $2.49. Feta cheese, jalapeno jack cheese, stuffed olives, yummy. Stuffed sweet picante peppers, $3.99. So many fun things. Okay, we're getting salad toppings now. So she wants cherry tomatoes, or grape tomatoes. Let's see, $2.19 for 10 ounces. Those are 10 ounces as well. So we'll get these, $2.19. I need mini peppers. My kids like to snack on these, but then also to put in my dip, although they look kind of gross. I don't know, I'm gonna skip those, and I'm actually gonna get just 3 big peppers. And these are $2.69, I'll dice them. I'm in the middle of a 3-day fast, and I wanna break it with avocado, so I'm gonna get one for 89 cents. I break it on Wednesday. Kalamata olives for her salad, $2.49. The salad I'm making is corn and mayonnaise based, $3.29 for mayonnaise. I don't normally have this because I'm the only one in my family that'll eat it, so when I run out, I don't buy it again until I have a need. I'm gonna get some apple juice. Elsie likes the apple juice, and I'll get Cal more lemonade at Meijer, $2.79. Now, this is not necessarily my style, but they have for $10 and $14 different Sherpa pumpkin shaped pillows. They have blue, cream, green, and orange, and then the same thing in a smaller size. Lots of organization stuff. These pictures just keep hopping around, not selling, just moving. But they have a bread maker. I was just thinking I want to look for a bread maker at a thrift store. I don't really want to pay $50 for it, but oh, it's tempting. I was just thinking about one last night. Silicone prep trays, different oven-sized grill pan, melamine picnic sets, storage containers, milkshake glasses, different cutting board sets, $9.99. I love this. The kitchen assortment, a paper towel holder is really pretty. The serving tray, a Lazy Susan, cast iron in this gorgeous green color. Okay, I see. That's not green, that's white. A pumpkin gravy boat, so cute. I wish I was organized and seasonal like this, but I'm not. I know myself well enough to know I would not use that or remember it, but it's adorable. Different casserole dishes. They have 2 different sizes, $9.99, $14.99. Chair pads, baskets, different sets here. If you're questioning if you'd use this, I love my mini slow cooker. I use it to make some like meat versions and vegetarian versions of my bigger one. Just used it yesterday. I didn't get it from here, but I use it. Definitely worth $10. Halloween candy showing up, hand-blown pumpkins. Those are really pretty. You're gonna have to use a bit of your imagination, but you can see a lot more Halloween candy. But there are sandwich cookies over here. Apple pie and pumpkin spice. And those are $2.69 each. I am running low on cat litter, $6.15. I'm not a loyalist to the Aldi cat litter. It's basically like whenever I think of it, I get it at what's most convenient, but it works well. I used the rest of my cumin and chili last night, so I need more, $1.09. We are almost out of sugar, $2.95. I'm not getting in any of these, but I recently just pulled out my German bean soup. I've had a couple of these in my pantry, and it was so good. Very satisfying. I was freezing, made this. Definitely worth $3 and a super simple pinch meal. The corn dip I'm making, it needs a can of Rotel, or if you shop Aldi like me, a can of Casa Mamita diced tomatoes with green chilies, 95 cents. We are having waffles for dinner, and I'm making bacon with it, and then the leftover bacon will be chopped into bacon bits to go on top of soup, $3.99. lots of red sticker chicken in my freezer, but nothing here compels me to buy more. It's all bone-in, which we like to buy boneless breast. Okay, we're looking at the cupboards. Nothing really new or interesting here yet. Seeing a lot of the same things. Oh, they have spring rolls, shrimp, veggie, and then they have pork and chicken dumplings on that side. Oh, beef schnitzel. I don't see that very often. I see the pork, sometimes chicken, but this is beef schnitzel, and it doesn't have a price on this side. I don't think it's $4.59. Usually it's around $10, but I really like the chicken schnitzel. A barbecue, smoked chicken pizza, spinach and garlic. Lots of different pizzas going on over here. Garlic knots. My kids loved these mini hash brown patties last week when we made them. We had a pancake dinner. Really like these. $2.99. Cauliflower bake, broccoli bake. Those look good. They're $5 a piece. Potato and onion pierogies. Green chili rolls. Those look really yummy to me. Or even the Southwestern style rolls. Both have chicken in them. They're $6.79. Different fruit blends. Cloud bread is still here. Orange juice, the gelato. Mini croissants, whether chocolate, hazelnut, or just plain. More smoothie items. And the same ice cream as last week. I wanted to come over here and see these Uno deep dish pizzas. They have a pepperoni and a cheese, and they don't have the prices, but I thought those look pretty good. They're like individuals. Certainly not $3.99, but they don't have the prices here. Our pricing's a little messed up, I'd say, this week, but I thought they looked pretty good. I need mild cheddar for my dip, $3.79. My friend Karen asked me if I had seen these, and I hadn't, but I'm gonna get the balsamic onion cheddar cheese, $4.49. Yummy. They also have truffle and champagne, but this sounded really yummy. She knows I love cheese and I love Aldi. Parmesan cheese for my daughter's salad, $3.99. It's in a bag instead of the container this week. Okay, so my husband asked me to get his favorite vanilla ice cream, $5.95. I'm a big fan of Connolly's Irish Cream. This is the caramel one, and I'm really hoping they come out with their advent calendar again where you get all the different flavors, but since this is back, I'm gonna get it, and I'll probably take some to my son's birthday dinner on Friday. Yummy. Already looking forward to it. The mums look a little different than the last time I shared them. They're a little sad. It looks like someone like me has been taking care of them in the store. They could be yours for only $4.99. I don't know if my husband would like this, but he loves apple butter. Let's see. Well, the number one ingredient is sugar, so it's not probably like the apple butter he likes. But they have pumpkin maple and salted caramel apple spread. They have snickerdoodle and pumpkin spice almonds, $5.09. They also have these caramel apple and pumpkin pie clusters, $3.49. Well, I was planning to get some giant muffins, but they have these for $1.98 on clearance, so we'll get double chocolate and cinnamon. I know my family will like these. Okay, here is my cart. I'm using a lot of things that we have on hand, getting a few things at Meijer, but any guess on the total? Okay, my total is $99.76. Let's go to Meijer. Okay, so I'm heading to the bakery. I ordered cupcakes, but I'm gonna make sure that they will not use red dye in one of the orders because my son has a classmate with allergies, and I'm just gonna confirm since I'm here. Okay, she confirmed she'll make them without red dye, which is really nice because I don't have allergies in my house, but I want to be respectful of those that have them. And speaking of allergies, there's one child that has an allergy to red food dye, so that's what I was clearing up. But then there's another child that has dairy, they're vegan, I don't know, a lot of different things. So the teacher said a great option would be to bring Oreos for him. So I'm gonna get these Oreos. They're $8.99 for 22 packs. Or I could get 12. I'm gonna do that. That looks like a better deal. $5.99 for 12 packs, and I guess he's gonna get 6 cookies, the lucky kid. Although, I'm gonna do this one. $5.99, Nutter Butters, Chips Ahoy, and Oreos. And then we can give one of these to the child that has other allergies. We've been pretty lucky. We haven't had to deal with many allergies, but that's why I like to home make snacks to take in. But I was just afraid to do that with allergies in their class this year. Okay, I'm gonna get 3 cans of the Southwest corn. This is for the dip. This is the main thing along with the mayonnaise. $2.09. They don't have like an off-brand one. I'm gonna look again, but if not, this is what I'm getting. $2.09 each. I need 3. $2.99. They don't have any sprinkles in the bakery without red. So I'm gonna get these. Oh wait, red 40. What the fudge? Maybe not. I'm guessing to make the black. Let's check this one. Blue. No, red. What? Okay, maybe we will just leave sprinkles out. Red 40. Okay, well, I guess sprinkles are just gonna be a 0. I don't think that'd look pretty on white frosting. Okay, well, that's a shock to me, to be honest. What about brown? Okay, I guess we're gonna put brown sprinkles on his cupcakes, which is kind of anticlimactic, but I think it's better than just white. So here we go. Okay, this is it. Any guess on the total? Okay, so here is our birthday week meal plan. Tonight I'm making homemade waffles. That was Elsie's request. I'm making applesauce, and then I'll also have bacon. Tuesday, we're having taquitos. This is actually supposed to be this weekend, but then my older daughter said vegetarian chili sounded really good, so I got stuff last minute, made that, and bumped taquitos from this weekend to today. Wednesday is my son's 8th birthday, and he wants to get carry-out pizza, eat it at a park as a family. We have done that for almost every single one of his birthdays. He really likes it. He loves going to the park, so we're going to have family park pizza night, and I very much look forward to it. Thursday, we're having cauliflower soup, and this is a meal that, again, selfishly is something that I really want. My family will tolerate it. It's vegetarian, and then you can top it with green onion, more cheddar cheese. You can put bacon on top, and I'm making homemade bread bowls to serve it in. Very much looking forward to this. Friday, we're going to my in-laws. My mother-in-law always makes a big birthday dinner for everyone in the family, and I'm making a dip that she asked me to make. It's corn, mayonnaise, sour cream, different seasonings. It's very delicious, and she's making a giant nacho taco spread. So that's Friday. Saturday, we're having leftovers. Anytime we go to my mother-in-law's house, she offers us tons of leftovers, and if I have a dinner planned Saturday, it doesn't really make sense for us to take leftovers, so I thought, why not plan to have leftovers after this, and then we can take different meats or things that she's made. She makes so much different food. She loves us to take leftovers, so we're gonna have leftovers on Saturday with not only stuff from their house, but I'll probably have cauliflower soup. We might have some leftover applesauce, who knows. And then Sunday, we are going out to dinner as a family, the 5 of us, to Olive Garden. They have their never-ending pasta. And honestly, my kids love going to Olive Garden, and it's just something that sounded fun. So we are going to get it done this weekend. If you want to see what family dinner at my in-laws looks like, you can watch this short video right here. It's a great illustration of what one of those family dinners looks like and the wonderful spread that my mother-in-law makes. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.